Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if you are looking for a job opportunities in the tech industry, you are in the right place. In today's video, we have an exciting opportunity at PayPal for a software engineer position in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. So stay tuned for all the details, requirements and how you can apply. Also don't forget to like this video and subscribe for daily job updates. Now let's dive in. So, as you can see on your screen, the job is of a software engineer, in especially in backend, and the job family is of software development, and it's a full-time opportunity. So, what you need to know about the role? So, basically, it's a software engineer role at PayPal. In it you will develop innovation solutions and high quality products that impact millions of people across the globe. You'll be solving complex technical problems across business units like PayPal, Braintree, Venmo, Paydiant, and many more. PayPal is looking for top-tier technical talents with strong programming skills and a passion for pushing technology forward. So, what about the team? So, you'll be working alongside some of the brightest mind in the industry. PayPal offers opportunities in various areas such as development, design, platform, and backend engineering. As a core part of the team, your responsibilities is going to be, as you can see, they have mentioned the day-to-day responsibilities, which will be something like estimating engineering efforts plus designing and implementing changes, developing and maintaining backend components, debugging and triggering productions, plus testing and deploying solutions. So this is all going to be your kind of roles and responsibilities at PayPal. You will need to be dynamic, collaborative, and curious as you work on new experiences and improve exciting products as a massive scale. So at PayPal, backend software engineers are the architects of the global payment platform. You will be responsible for designing, developing, optimizing core systems, and process millions of transactions daily, ensuring seamless customer experience and business success. So your day-to-day responsibilities I have already mentioned, which is you can see here. Yeah, we have already discussed that. So the education requirement for this is going to be because what you need to bring to the table. So you must have a bachelor degree in computer science related field, plus around one plus years of experience in backend development. Plus, along with that, you should have the strong understanding of programming concepts and data structures. Proficiency in at least of one backend language, either of Java, Python, Ruby, or Rail, and you must have the proficiency with Java EE technologies, servlets, server, containers, JMS, Spring MVC, etc. Even Hibernate they require. Also, you should have the good knowledge of web services and SOS standards, or like REST APIs, JSON, and experience with ORM tools like Hibernate and all that I already mentioned. Plus, you should also have the experience with databases like SQL, NoSQL. Either of them is fine. And also they have mentioned some preferred qualification as you can see over here. So you must have, if you are having experience with large scale high performance system, and knowledge of the payment processing, along with experience in one of the cloud platform either of AWS, Azure and GCP, then you'll get preference over the others. So, and also if you have done some open source contributions, then you will be given preferences. So that's it about this role for today's job date. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Forge Onwards and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any update from our end. And if you're interested in the role, go apply. Check the link for the apply in the description and apply as soon as possible so that you don't miss this wonderful opportunity. And let me know in the comment section if you are applying, and if you are facing any difficulty, or just put down in the comment and I will be more than happy to help. And that's it for this particular video. Until next time, keep pushing forward and see you in the next one.